it or not, if you have really bad credit, it can help you clear up your credit over time. Another benefit, and people that we typically meet with, they're being sued. And when you're being sued, what can happen is a creditor, if they get a judgment against you, they can garnish your wages. And under the law, they can actually take up to 25% of your gross earnings. So that can devastate a person and, you know, basically affect their ability to pay their monthly expenses. So if you file bankruptcy, once you file, that filing stops any garnishments or any potential lawsuits from going forward. So another thing is, if you are behind on a mortgage, or if you're behind on a car payment and you want to keep those things, by filing bankruptcy, it's the only legal way you can actually do so. And a Chapter 13 allows an individual to catch up on those payments. We get a lot of people who are in here who, you know, were laid off or have less income than they did, and they're behind on their mortgage payment and they just can't catch up. So by filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, if you want to keep those or keep your home, you can actually get caught up. No, you will not lose your 401k or your retirement. 401ks, IRAs, most pensions are protected under the bankruptcy code. So you should never deplete those, because the courts actually were looking out for individuals and the debtors. That's why they protected those. So I meet with a lot of people and they'll advise us that they've depleted their 401k before coming in to see us. So it's very disheartening, because they could have protected that all along and then had something to look forward to in retirement.